Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about elephant. An elephant is the largest mammal on land. It is an intelligent and a strong creature. It lives in the dense forest. It has got a large body, 2 small eyes, 2 large ears, 4 thick legs and a short tail. It has a long nose called a trunk, which used to carry heavy loads. It eats leaves of trees, plants, sugarcane and grass. It walks very slowly and can grow up to 10 feet. It has a strong sense of memory power. Its dung is very useful for the growth of plants and crops. Its body parts are used for various medicinal purposes and also used for entertainment and transportation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.